everyone, I am Mahita, Chartered Accountant by profession. I would like to present new tax system versus existing tax system in simple words to help you decide which one you should opt for. This presentation is especially made for individuals who are having income from salary. In Budget 2020, our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has introduced new tax system with more slabs, lower tax rates, but you cannot claim any deductions and exemptions. And also the option was given to individuals to either continue with the existing tax system or to opt for new tax system. As it is individuals who has to decide which one to pick, it is very critical to understand both the tax systems and pick the right one. Let us understand the existing tax system. In the existing tax system, the income tax rates are high, but we do have plenty of options to reduce the taxes with available deductions and exemptions under Income Tax Act. To cover all the deductions and exemptions, there is a time constraint. So to keep it relevant and simple, I have picked few examples of deductions and exemptions which are generally claimed by salaried employees. Examples of deductions are Section 80C deductions, which everyone are familiar with. We can claim up to maximum of 1.5 lakh, which covers your LIC, PF, etc. 80D health insurance, 80E interest on education loans if you have any, 80G if you have made any donations, you can claim that as well. Examples of exemptions are HRA house rent allowance, LTA leave travel allowance. Please have a look at comparative tax slabs for financial year 2021. Here I would like to mention about one important section, that is section 87A of Income Tax Act, which states that if you are an individual who is resident in India and having net taxable income, that means income after considering all deductions and exemptions is up to 5 lakh, then you need not pay any taxes. Let's get into the topic of which one to pick, which is right for you. Let's decide with some examples. Example 1. Let's assume an individual is having income of 9 lakh per annum, HRA exemption of 30,000, LTA exemption of 25,000, standard deduction of 50,000, PF contribution under section 80C of 25,000. In this example, we can observe that this individual is not having any deductions under section 80C apart from PF, which is already part of his salary. Let's calculate his tax under old and new and see how it works. Can we claim all deductions and exemptions under old tax system? Yes, we can claim. Can we do it under new tax system? No, we cannot. So his net taxable income is coming to 7,70,000 under old, but under new it is 9 lakh. If we calculate, his tax under old is coming to 69,160. Under new it is coming to 62,400, which means he is having tax saving of 6,760 rupees under new tax system. Let's get into example number 2. Assume an individual is having income of 22 lakh per annum, HRA of 50,000, ATC 1,50,000, LTA 25,000, NPS 80 CCD 30,000, health insurance 80D 25,000. In this example, we can see that individual is claiming all the possible deductions under chapter 6A and also available exemptions. If we calculate his tax under both new and old, he is getting 3,88,440 under old tax system. Under new tax system, 4,13,400. So he is having 24,960 rupees tax benefit under old tax system. If we observe both the cases, in case number 1, we can see that the individual is not having any deductions apart from PF, which is already part of his salary. In example 2, we can see that he is having all the possible deductions and exemptions. So we can say that if an individual is having more deductions and exemptions, he is more benefited under old tax system. If not, he is benefited under new tax system. To conclude, which option is right? Evaluate both the options based on your income, exemptions and deductions. Take the help of my examples. Arrive tax under both the options and pick whichever works out best for you. Also, you may have a question that can I switch between the tax systems? Yes, absolutely. From next financial year you can, but if you want to switch within the financial year, first intimate the same to your employer and get the change done. If not possible and still you want to change, then at the time of filing ITR you can do so, but you might have to face a notice from IT department for variation between your form 16 and ITR, which can be replied, but it is suggestible to be proactive and choose the right one in the first place. One more point, if you are an individual having income from business or profession as well, you can't switch between the tax systems. Hope you like the video. If you find it useful, please share with your friends. For more updates, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.